In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. The length of the line RP is 13 centimeters, and the length of the line QR is 12 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. As we can see from the diagram, the shaded region is the triangle PQR. So we are going to find the area of the triangle PQR. The question says that O is the center of the circle. So it means that the line RP will be the diameter because it touches both ends of the circumference and it passes through the center of the circle. From circle theorem, we know that the angle that the diameter of a circle subtends at the circumference of the circle is 90 degrees. So what it means is that in this diagram, the line RP, which is the diameter of the circle, subtends an angle of 90 degrees at point Q, which is at the circumference. So the angle here is 90 degrees, or it is a right angle. If the angle at point Q is 90 degrees, then it means that the triangle PQR is a right-angled triangle. If the triangle PQR is a right-angled triangle, then it means we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the line PQ. In this right-angled triangle PQR, RP is the longest side, or the hypotenuse. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem on this triangle, we can say that the length of PR squared is equal to the length of QR squared plus the length of PQ squared. We have the length of PR to be 13 centimeters and the length of QR to be 12 centimeters. So 13 squared is equal to 12 squared plus PQ squared. This will give us PQ squared is equal to 13 squared minus 12 squared. When we simplify this, we are going to have PQ is equal to square root of 25. And square root of 25 is 5. So it means that the length of PQ is 5 centimeters. So the length of this line here, or this side, is 5 centimeters. Remember, the question said we should find the area of the shaded region. And the shaded region is the triangle PQR. We have the length of the base of the triangle and the length of the height of the triangle. So we can find the area of the triangle. From mensuration, we know that the area of a triangle is given by the formula half times the length of the base times the length of the height. In this triangle, the side QR is the base and the side PQ is the height. So it means that the area of the triangle will be equal to half times the base, which is 12 centimeters, times the height, which is 5 centimeters. And this will give us 30 centimeters squared. The triangle PQR is the shaded area. So it means that the area of the shaded region is 30 centimeters squared.